GFarmer Pro update paid me over 40,000 naira today, being Sunday the 17th of May 2026. And I am going to show you a proof in case you do not believe it. Now, this is a proof of what I was paid today. I was actually in service when I made this withdrawal, and it only took them 1 hour for it to be paid into my spender wallet. Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Sorari, and on this space I share legit opportunities for free, opportunities that rewards you for the same thing you do repeatedly but never get rewarded for it. And in this video I am going to be covering or talking more about the GFarmer Pro update, what it is about, how you will earn from it, and also how you are going to place your withdrawal. If at the end of this video these are the kind of things you like, side hustle ideas, side hustle apps, and side tips and cons that makes you money by the side while you have a 9-to-5 job, or even if you do not have a skill and you're looking to make money with a smartphone in your hands, then this channel is the right channel for you to join today. Quickly click on the subscribe button and subscribe to this YouTube channel if you're watching this video on YouTube, and turn on the notification bell so YouTube will notify you whenever I make videos like this. If you're watching on Facebook, do follow this page, like this video, and share with friends so you don't miss opportunities like this. Now, before we go further, I would want to make a disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose, so I advise you make your own research so you don't only depend or rely on the information on this channel. This channel is creating videos to educate you on opportunities, but you are advised to do your own further research. Now that has been said, we have a community on WhatsApp or Telegram where we share this kind of opportunities. So let me show you how you can get started on the GFarmer update, how you can make money from it, and how you can also place withdrawal. Firstly, what is the GFarmer update about? The GFarmer update is a Telegram update where you get paid for creating email account for the Telegram bot. Now, you don't need to come up with Telegram with Gmail names or password or email addresses, as you'll be given emails to create by the team. Okay, so let's say I want to create a completely new email. I haven't registered before. This is the first time I am hearing about the GFarmer update. I am interested and I want to get into it. First of all, you'll be needing a link to register on it, and immediately you click the link, which should be left on the comment section or description of this video, you will be taken straight to your Telegram account. So if you do not have Telegram, this update is not for you. However, you can go straight to your Play Store or iOS and download the Telegram account. Telegram is actually free, so you would want to get it. And when you're getting it, please do not use a VPN, because this update is open to all countries, including Nigeria, because I am a Nigerian making this video from Nigeria. So as a Nigerian, you can also get started in this update. Now, these people will reward you for creating emails for them, but with Gmail creation, there is a limit at which you can create. So in a day, you can create 3 to 4 emails, and you can wait for at least 3 days to 7 days for your account to automatically reset. Then you can create another email. The more email you are able to create, the more money you can make. But I'm going to explain further when we get to the section that talks about how you make money from this. So how do you register? Click the link in the comment section or description of this video and register. When you come in, you're going to type this word start. So let's say I just registered. Okay, I'm like you, I just registered and I want to create an account. You click on start, then you click on create or register new Gmail. Okay, so register new Gmail. Now, like I said earlier, you don't need to come up with your own ideas on what to create, because they are going to give you everything you need. If you check here, they said register Gmail account using the specified data and get from $0.145 or $0.17. If you are able to do a 2-step verification, you're going to be getting $0.17, which is higher than 0.145. But if you're not able to do a 2-step authentication and you are only able to add a backup email, then these people will be giving you 0.145 I actually prefer the backup plan because my two-step authenticator is used for my private business. Then they've given you a name. You don't need to come up with a surname. Your name is okay. Even on the Gmail creation file, they are going to give you an option to add your surname. Okay, so your first name is going to be Tyson. Then your email is going to be kobosibugo205@gmail.com. So for example, if I am creating for them, these are the details I'm going to use. I'm going to use this email address and I'm going to use this password. So let me see if I can show you how to create a Gmail account, because for now I have exceeded my limit and I will not be able to create a Gmail account freely. However, let me see how far I can go in this video to helping you understand how to create a Gmail account. So when you log into your Gmail account, you're going to be clicking on, when you log into your Gmail account, you're going to click on this header that is going to give you an option to add more Gmail accounts. Okay, so when you click on it, you slide down, you're going to see add another account. I currently have a lot of accounts. I have not removed some, so I won't be able to create an account here with this particular phone. I have another phone I use in creating an account, but I cannot record a video from that phone, so I'm using my other phone to make this video. When you click on add a new account, you click on Google. During the creation, you are going to be asked, you're going to be provided details needed, and you can only copy this because during creation, Gmail will be provided for you. Okay, Gmail will be provided for you. So the only thing you need to copy is this first name, the kobosibugog205, then at gmail.com will be provided for you. So you click on it and then copy the phone number. Do not accept the one they gave to you. Always choose to create your own email address. So copy this, put there, copy the password, and also put there. I actually made a mistake while recording. I didn't know my camera was paused. Okay, so when you come here, you click on keep 5G. They said I'm going to unlock 15 gigabytes of storage at no cost by using my phone number. Now, I do not want to use my phone number because this email is not my own. If I use my phone number for this email creation, whenever the owners want to log into the account, they will be needing my email, my phone number, and I do not want that. Okay, because I am being paid to create this email, I have no right to add my phone number. So I click on continue. So you've got 5 GB storage for your account. Click on done. Now, if I log back to my Gmail, I am going to see this. So I have been able to successfully create the Gmail. Okay, then I'm going to come back to my Telegram and I'm going to click on done. Now they said enable two-step authentication. I don't want to enable two-step authentication, okay, because the process is kind of tedious for me, so I do not want that. But I will be going to complete. So if I go to complete, they will give me a backup email to add it as backup. Okay, but if you want to do the two-step authentication, you can still click on how to enable two-step or two-factor authentication, and they are going to give you a video showing you how to do that. But for this video, what I want to do is complete 0.145. So I click on complete 0.145 and they said I should click again to confirm. So I click again to confirm, and now they said you need to add a recovery email, and this is the recovery email I need to add. Okay, so how do I add a recovery email? How to add your backup email, you have to do is click on this and click on manage your Gmail account, click on security and settings, then slide down. You are going to see add recover email, add an email address. So they are asking me for my password, so let us verify you are the one first. Remember, I don't know that password. Okay, I don't know that password because it is not mine. So I'll go back and verify my password. So I've added the password and they said add a recovery email. Okay, add a recovery email. I'm going to come here because I don't know the recovery email, copy it and add and save. Okay, so enter the 6-digit code sent to blah 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 blah. They are going to do this one from their end. So what I'm going to do is come back here and click on done. They said checking in progress, please wait. The 6-digit code they added, they sent to me, because I don't have access to this second email, I cannot add the code. So they will be the ones to add their code. So I'm going to click on OK, and I think they've sent me. Okay, so see what they said. They've confirmed I have created the email, Abi. Yes. So they've paid me $0.145 and it has been credited, but it has not been added to my account. The funds will be transferred to your main balance after 3 days. So by Wednesday, because this is the Sunday I'm recording this video, by Wednesday, this money is going to be paid to my account. Then be sure to log out of the account on your device. So what I'm going to click next is how to log out. How to log out. Okay, so how to log out. They are supposed to send me a message on how to log out. Click on cancel. After creating the account, the next thing you want to do is to remove this account from your phone. So whenever these people get emails, you will not be seeing the email they are sending. The reason why they hold your money till 3 days is so that in that 3 days, if you do not delete the account, or if you do not randomly respond to emails that they receive, it means that you did not terminate the contract they had with you. And the contract they had with you is for you to help them create a Gmail account while you get paid. So slide down and click on settings. Okay, slide down till you get to account and backup. Click on account and backup. Click on manage account. Then I'm now going to look for the account I just created. Remember, the account we just created is kobosibugog@gmail.com. Okay, now we are seeing remove account. So click on remove account. So removing this account will delete all of its contact, calendar and other data from this phone. This data will remain in the account and will be accessed by signing in again. So what I do is remove account. Remember, you do not delete the account because you have been paid to create this account. You only remove the account from your. Next is how to make money from this app. So how do you make money? Now that we've removed the account from our phone, the next thing is to make money with this Gmail bot. The first way is by creating email. The second way is by inviting friends. So let's click on referrals, for example. Okay, now they are going to ask you register a new account, my account balance. So you click on my referral, and when you click on my referral, they are going to give you your own unique referral code. So for every email your referrals are able to create, depending on what account they create, if they're able to do the two-factor authenticator, you're going to be getting $0.17. If they only do backup the way I showed on the video, you will be getting $0.145. Okay, so these are the two ways of earning on this platform. The next is how to place your withdrawal. So from here, I am going to click on balance, for example, and you can see that this is the only money I have because I had withdrawn from this account earlier this morning. Okay, so if you want to withdraw, you click on payout, and then let's see. You click on payout and they are going to give you options. So let's click on payout and see. Now I have 0.145, so it means I can withdraw from the account because they are giving me an option to withdraw. And whenever I want to withdraw, I make sure to click on USDT Tata because it is the easiest way for me to withdraw. If you're using Bybit, if you're using Mexi, if you're using Binance, you can just quickly log in and click there to be able to get your account. But for me, I use my Spend wallet. So let me show you how to get your BEP20 wallet address for this. So I logged into my Spender wallet and I click on deposits. After that, I click on USDT and I'm going to click on BEP20 because this is the wallet address they use. So when I copy the wallet address, I am just simply going to log back in and click on withdraw, like paste it here for them, and they are going to send me the money after 1 hour. So this is how to register on the account. This is how to create a Gmail account from the account on the Telegram update, and this is how to also place withdrawal. If you do not understand this video, especially the account creation part, you can still ask them to help you. Okay, so let's say I want to create a new account, but I'm not sure they are going to allow me to create a new account until I withdraw this money that I have requested. Now, because I made a request to place a withdrawal, they are not going to pay me for this. So I'm going to just let this slide for now. Okay, if you have questions, please ask your questions in the comment section of this video. This video is way too long already and I didn't want it to be this long. Ask your questions, share this video with friends, and leave your amazing comments. Okay, if you've registered, you've withdrawn, you can also use this. In this video you saw that I was able to create a completely new account. This is after 7 days. So the last time I created an account was 7 days ago. This is because I use 2 phones to create my Gmail account, and I also invite friends to the platform. Okay, so if you've created the first 4 accounts, they said you can no longer create an account, or you need to verify your phone number. Please wait for 3 to 7 days and you have to try it again. So this should be all for this video. Do not forget to like, comment, and share. Follow me on Facebook, subscribe to this YouTube channel. Then we have a community on WhatsApp you can join. So join that community so you don't miss any opportunity we share.